Welcome to the intro. I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey guys, Demon here, doing another Steven Universe video. This time, a theory video. The last one I did was a theory video as well, I guess. Well, anyways, in a recent episode, Raising the Barn, Lapis decided to abandon Earth and Peridot and Pumpkin and Steven and everybody on Earth, obviously. But especially Peridot and Pumpkin. And she took the whole barn with her because she's kind of a dick. She could have took like half of it, but no, she took the whole thing with her. She's kind of a dick. She's being kind of a dick. But I can understand where she's coming from. Because she doesn't want to go into another war. Because the last one she got trapped in a mirror and she wasn't even a part of the fighting. Although if she was part of the fighting, I'm sure the Crystal Gems would have a lot better chance to win. Especially if the wand chick comes back, because I'm pretty sure Lapis could probably control her water enough to hit the wand chick in the face, although the wand chick looks like she can control water to a certain extent as well. So that's pretty interesting to think about. Anyways, this theory is about if Lapis will return to the Crystal Gems, to Steven, to Peridot, and bring the barn back with her. She'll obviously bring the barn back with her. So my thoughts on this personally is that Lapis will end up returning to the Earth, obviously. But the question is, how will she end up returning to the Earth? Will she feel bad enough to return to the Earth eventually because she'll miss Peridot and stuff and she'll realize that she made a mistake? Or will she be watching over the Earth at a safe distance and realize that the diamonds or powerful gems came, so she has to go protect her friends? I can see that. I can see both of these scenarios happening. And I also can see one where she thinks that she made the wrong decision. She goes back to Earth and the gems, like the diamonds, are already there, so she has to go and fight them. Because she wants to protect her friends and the Earth itself because it's her new home planet. Well, it's her new home, I guess. Not her new home planet, but it's her new home. So I can see all three of those happening. So, which one do I think's gonna happen? I'm not sure. I kind of think that Lapis is gonna realize that she was wrong, and she's gonna come back. And it's just going to be over like that, which would kind of be disappointing to me because I don't want that to happen. Quick break right here.
Hey guys, brief interruption to remind you, if you like my content, to subscribe and watch more videos. If you like this video in particular, leave a like, comment, and share it if you will, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Hey, anyways, back to what I was saying. I kind of don't want that to happen. I don't want Lapis to realize that she was wrong and then come back and be like, I'm back and we can be friends again. And then probably a little bit of an argument between her and Peridot and a little bit of like mixed emotions between them. It'd be kind of emotional, and it might be really good to see like characters like grow like that and eventually like apologize to each other and eventually just get along again. I mean, I could definitely see them having a whole arc where Peridot and Lapis were like Steven and Connie this arc. But like more in depth on them, obviously, more in depth. Instead of just Steven and Connie, just Steven texting all the time. I think it'd be more in depth if that happened. But I kind of want the second two to happen. Either Lapis figures out that she was wrong, she comes back, and then she sees the diamonds attacking. Or she realizes the diamonds are attacking and she comes back to fight with her friends because she doesn't want Peridot and Steven to get hurt, and the rest, obviously. And I thought it was the coolest way to do this, okay? Either one of those would be awesome, okay? If she comes back because she realized that she was wrong and the diamonds are attacking, so she had to fight with them. Or if she comes back because the diamonds are attacking and she wants to fight with them anyways. I thought the coolest thing that they could do bringing her back. So they bring her back. She comes back to Earth with the barn, obviously, and maybe Steven, but most likely Peridot are in trouble. because the diamonds are, like one of the diamonds, like probably yellow, is like closing in on her, or maybe even blue. And they're closing in on Peridot and Steven, or just Peridot, or just Steven. And then I thought of the coolest thing that she could do. When she comes back, she notices this. She notices that one of the diamonds are closing in on them and gonna prove them or kill them or whatever. So she's just like, oh, fuck you, and she drops the bar on top of them. That would be hilarious. And she just comes back, and from the atmosphere, she like super speeds up the barn and drops it right on top of the fucking diamond's head. That would be awesome and hilarious. Now, of course, I don't think that would kill the diamond. I think it'd be a minor nuisance and it'd probably hurt them a little bit. But they'd get up and they'd be pissed off and they'd be like, what the hell, you insolent child or whatever, you know? And they'd be pissed off at her. And if it was blue, she'd be like, oh shit. And if it was yellow, she'd be like, oh shit, you know? Either way, they'd be pissed off. They'd get up and they'd be like, now you're dead. And they'd try to destroy her. At that point, I see either two things. I see them either retreating, Lapis grabbing Steven and Peridot, or grabbing Peridot and retreating, or just Steven and retreating, obviously. And then I see them fighting against them, like just Lapis using all her powers of water fighting against them. And then I see the coolest thing. After they realize they can't defeat him, or maybe even before that, Lapis and Peridot, you know, fuse. They fuse together and they make this new entity, and they can control water and metal, but way more accurate than Peridot can control metal, because Peridot's kind of weak at controlling metal right now. But with Lapis's years of experience of controlling water, maybe that will transfer to Peridot's metal use when they fuse. So maybe it's just like lifting up cars and shit, just throwing at them. And just lifting up water and just basically like hitting them with fists of water, hitting them with vehicles, hitting them with buildings. It would be the awesomest, epicest fight ever. Epic fight ever. It'd be like an epic fight. It wouldn't be like the epicest fight. Epic. It wouldn't be like the most epic fight, but it'd be an epic fight. I kind of doubt they're going to do that, though, but I kind of hope they do. I hope they do. If they don't, they miss an opportunity to drop a barn on a diamond, you know? Dropping a whole barn on a diamond, and then fusing with Peridot, and maybe even Steven, maybe even all three of them fuse together, who knows? And then having, like, the power of water and metal. I could just see them throwing cars. It'd be like that one episode where Onion has that cloning wand, and he clones a car and he throws it at Garnet. That episode was awesome. Just having that cloning wand, just throwing cars at people. That's what I could see, but instead of that, they have metal powers, obviously, so it's like and water. Oh man, it'd be just the awesomest thing ever, and the barn thing would be the most hilarious thing ever. I could just see Peridot, like, just Lapis coming down and being like, leave her alone! Boom! And a giant barn falls on top of them. It'd be hilarious and awesome. Anyways, that's my theories. That's my theory on what's going to happen. I think she's going to come back. And I hope she's going to come back similar to the way I described it, where she brings the barn down on one of the diamond's heads. That would be the most hilarious. And that might take a season. That might take like a season or two to happen. You know, like I don't know when the diamonds are coming. It might be season 6. It might be season 5. It might be season 6. It might be season 7. You know, but I think if we have a season or so apart away from Lapis, but she comes back with a vengeance, that would be the best. That's my thoughts though, and my opinions. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, my friends, stay sane. Peace.
Hey guys, just remind you to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and watch more videos. Until next time. Say hi! Say hi! Hey guys, just hanging here with my nephew. Yeah, it's a phone. It's a phone, yeah. You can't have it, right?